Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to make a common Filipino snack, cheese puto. We will start by combining the dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, sieve 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then add 1/3 cup of sugar. Add 100 ml of evaporated milk and 1 egg. Mix well until the batter is smooth. Add 60 ml of water and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Mix well until well blended. Then add 1/4 block of grated cheese. Fold the mixture until the cheese is fully incorporated. The next step is to grease the mold with butter. Fill each mold with 2 tablespoons of puto mixture. Now, we're going to steam our puto in medium heat. Wrap the cover with clean towel or any cotton material so the steam will not drip in the batter. Cover and steam for 10 minutes. Check if the puto is fully cooked by inserting a toothpick or fork. It is fully cooked if the fork comes out dry and does not have any wet butter. Then top with strips of cheese. and steam again for another 2 minutes until the cheese melts. Here's our cheese puto recipe. This is an easy to make snack that your family will love. Enjoy!
Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!